हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू हेवन एजुकेशन। आई एम अभिषेक और हम आपके लिए लाए हैं पीएलसी। दैट मीन्स कि जिसका प्रेजेंटेशन पीएलसी पे है वो अपना पीपीटी बना के कैसे आप प्रेजेंट उसको कर सकते हैं। सो आई एम टॉक अबाउट पीएलसी, दैट मीन्स अशोका इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मैनेजमेंट वाराणसी, प्रेजेंटेड बाई अभिषेक चौहान। ब्रांच इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स है आप हमारा बीटेक बैचलर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, करेक्ट। कंटेंट: इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ पीएलसी, हिस्ट्री ऑफ पीएलसी, मेजर कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ए कॉमन पीएलसी, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज ऑफ पीएलसी, एप्लीकेशन, नेक्स्ट ब्रांड ऑफ पीएलसी, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ पीएलसी, नेक्स्ट एडवांटेज, नेक्स्ट डिसएडवांटेज, करेक्ट। Introduction of PLC. The full form of PLC is Programmable Logic Controller. PLC is a digital computer. Next, designed for multiple input and output arrangements. Next, using PLC makes the work very fast and save time. That's why PLC is mostly used in factory machines program. Next, industry used to use relay early, but since PLC come in the market, PLC started being used, which increased automation in the industry. Next slide, PLC. So figure is PLC 24 volt DC. Operate this PLC any brands. The show of display your Siemens PLC. Next, history of PLC. The PLC was invented by Richard Dick Morley on 1st January 1968. PLC made on demand of General Motor. Bedford Associated created the first PLC named Modicon with model name 084. Modicon's full name is Modicon Digital Controller, now used in many industrial designing. Next slide. So your front show these figures. Dick Morley 1968 programming this PLC. That's 1968 PLC is very large. Next, major components of a common PLC. So input modules, output modules, power supply, processor, programming device. Processor included these CPU, processor and memory. From sensing, push buttons, content, limit switch, etc. And outputs modules, connected devices, solenoid, contactor, alarms and etc. That's it. Next, programming device: desktop and laptop. Second, handheld desktop. Programming language of PLC. Most common language in PLC programming are ladder logic diagram, functional block diagram, Boolean mnemonics. Next slide. Programming of ladder diagrams. So figures normal open. That means 0 state not change. First 1 state change. So circuit give the 0 signal, that means state not change, and circuit 1 signal send in the circuit, so state change. So normally open. So figure in show normally open and outputs. Outputs connected is a fan, lights, anything. So 0 state circuit provided, but circuit is not changed, so your circuit is open, so not current follow, that means not signals provided outputs, that circuit is false. First signal provided in the circuit, so state change, that means open, so close, and outputs provide signals, output provide, so outputs valve, so glow. Second, normally closed. So figure in show normally closed and outputs. So zero signal in this circuit provided. So state not change, outputs, bulb is glow. And one state change, that means in this circuit provide one signal. So circuit is a change, that means closed, so open, and outputs is not provided signals, that means bulb is not glow. Output energy instructions, and true outputs high, and true conditions outputs low, it is a fault conditions. So in this figure, two switch A and B. So A switch is open and B switch is closed. So zero instruction send this A and B switches. So zero instructions, it is the not change state. So first switch is open, B switch closed, but output not send these signals, so bulb is not glow. And one state send this circuit, so as a circuit is closed but B circuit is open, so output not send, so bulb is not glow. C and D. C circuit is closed and D circuit is open, that means zero signals provide this C not state change, close, open, that means output is not output, so bulb is not glow. And one signal sent in this circuit, so C is open but D is circuit is closed, that means output is not provided output, so bulb is not glow. Next circuit is E and F, so zero instruction sent in this circuit, so circuit open, E is open and F is open, so not provided this signal output, so bulb is not glow. So one signal in this circuit E and F, so state change, so circuit is closed and output signal, so bulb is glow, that means it is the true signal. So next slides. Types of PLC. Different type PLC are two types. First, compact PLC. Second, modular PLC. Compact PLC is a very size small, and but modular PLC size is very large. Compact PLC input signal, input turns and output turns, it is the change times manufacturing, but modular PLC any times any situations, so cards changes in inputs and outputs modules, correct. Applications. Usage, that means speaking usage, automobile industry, glass industry, manufacturing industry, power stations. Broadband PLC usage in India, Siemens, Renly, Omron, Morlin, Modicons. Next, examples of PLC, so figures in your display. So marriage hall in uses this pixel light, so examples of PLCs. Advantage: low power consumption, system automatic, low maintenance cost, compact size, working fast, timing save. Disadvantage: too much work required in connecting wires, difficulty with change or placements, difficulty in finding errors. PLC is not technology, so that solved require training. Thank you so much for watching this video.